Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can easily create an account for your Neato Robotics D8. So first you need to download the app called My Neato, and here we have the sign up option. Here enter your email and now enter your password. After you do that, click sign up, and here we have create an account option. Now enter your first and last name. Here select your country of residence, and now here click on next. Now you need to have Bluetooth enabled. Click next, click allow, and allow the app to send you notifications. Now here you need to check every single box here. Make sure that it's all true. And now click on connect. Now you need to press the information button for 3 seconds.
Connection verified.
And here we have the option to connect our robot to the Wi-Fi network. Here enter the password. And now click next. Here, now we need to wait for it to connect to our router.
Connected. Updating my software.
And now our robot is ready to clean and our account is created. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.